The NOCTA X Nike Air Force 1 Low in the clean white colorway is set to make a major impact when it drops in spring 2026. Designed with Drake's signature minimalist aesthetic, this pair elevates the classic Air Force 1 silhouette with premium materials and subtle yet powerful details. The upper features smooth, high-quality white leather paired with refined NOCTA branding for a sleek and polished look. Its iconic AF1 sole unit remains intact but receives upgraded cushioning for enhanced all-day comfort. Small design cues, including embossed logos and NOCTA's understated touches, give the sneaker a modern luxury feel without straying from the beloved heritage of the Air Force 1. Offering versatility, durability, and a timeless appeal, this release is expected to be one of the most anticipated drops of 2026, perfect for fans of clean aesthetics and collectors looking to add a premium twist to a legendary silhouette.